When ISIS advanced through northern Iraq in mid-2014, thousands of Iraqis fled their homes. In areas we visited of northern Iraq that the Kurdish military forces had recaptured from ISIS, we found a clear pattern of discrimination against Arab residents. Thousands of Arabs remain trapped in at least 40 predominantly Arab villages. The Kurdish military and security forces are not allowing them to leave their communities.
والله يابا حصار علينا حصار، يعني إذا عمال ما عندنا يشتغلون وراتب ما عندنا، دولة ما انطينا راتب، ما عندنا راتب وما عندنا عمال، بيش نعيش؟ بيش ماكو معيشة غير الله هو اللي عايش، ما عندنا معيشة. يشتغلون ولادنا يعبرون يشتغلون يوم يومين نعيش، ما يعبرون ما عندنا كلش.
Many Arabs told us it was almost impossible to obtain permission to leave.
The checkpoint, he said Arabic and Kurdish. This guy, Arabic, this Kurdish. If he Kurdish, no problem. Go to inside. If Arabic, big problem. No working, you see this guy, all stand by here. No work, this big problem.
العالم تابعنا عمل ماكو. ضمن المنطقة يعني باقين. صار عندنا ولادة الساعة بالثلاث بالليل. منين نجيب موافقة؟ يعني هذه حيل صعوبة عندنا خاصة الولادة، وصير بعض الأحيان يعني مريض فجأة يصير نص الليل أو مثلا هذا، يعني إلا كتاب من الآسايس الساعة 3 وين أكو؟
We also found the Kurdish security and intelligence forces were barring Arabs from returning to villages that they had fled, even though they were allowing Kurdish residents to resettle in these very same communities.
عربي طبعا عرب هذا اللي خطين هزمه من الخوف فقعدنا بيوتهم خليك بيشمرك قلت وخالي ما حرب يهربتك.
The Kurdish military forces recently began easing these restrictions in some areas they control in northern Iraq, but they remain in place in many other areas. Thousands of Arabs still cannot leave cordoned off areas. Thousands of Arabs still cannot return to their homes.